Valencia, east of Newport. I think this is custom.
26918 on the 960 X-ray, Valencia, east of Newport. Where's the vehicle description and plate? What was the want?
So 503, we got a couple marked units and several left flying cars.
And a wanted 211 suspect with $250,000 in warrants.
503, 211 suspect. The unit you're covering through Dyer.
26K4 through Deer. And we're requesting some assistance from 31 if they can help out.
And for any 31 unit to assist, do we have a weapon involved in the 211?
26K4 through the red at Alton.
Through red at Alton.
He's reaching around down towards the floorboard.
Hey, going through Baker.
Through Baker.
31222, I'm out.
31222 out.
31893K, I'm out.
31893K out.
Wrong way against traffic on Bristol.
South on wrong way on Bristol.
Up to Santa Ana in a construction zone. Westbound in the dirt, north side of Santa Ana Street.
North side of Santa Ana Street, heading westbound through the construction zone.
Something's wrong with his car. He looks like he might be stuck. Westbound Santa Ana at Bristol.
And for westbound Santa Ana at Bristol, possibly having vehicles
stuck on the train track. So if we get units, we'll probably get a 960X right here in the construction zone. Baker.
10 for copy, vehicle is stuck on the train tracks westbound Santa Ana.
He's out. He's out. Down.